Baby, it's not as if I don't love you. I love you so much and you know it. But the fact is, just chill a little. This should not bring misunderstanding between the two of us simply because I don't want to go see my parents. We'll go see them.
For God's sake, when are we going to see your parents? Like, we've been dating for the past 4 years now. You've even taken me to your parents.
So?
I want to see your parents.
Must you know my parents?
Child!
See them you're dating, Abi. Is it not me you're dating?
Baby, we've been dating for 4 years now. You have to take this relationship to another level.
Is that your problem?
Yes, we are not getting younger.
I never said we were kids. But the fact is, you should understand that there's time for everything. You don't just rush over things simply because you want to settle down.
So when am I going to see your parents?
Are you getting upset over it?
Like I'm very angry right now.
Okay, I'm sorry. We'll go see them.
So when you taking me to your parents?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome. My father is a native doctor. My mother, she's a witch.
Oh my
younger
God.
sister, she's a mermaid. I also have a younger brother, he's a madman. But he's not around. I think he went around picking one of the dustbins as usual. So this is my family you've been disturbing me, you want to see.
Welcome my son-in-law.
Go for it. Who are you?
I possess all the spirits.
Thank you very much for watching that Laff Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday, see you on Friday. I know for a while now we've not been posting our video. I'm sorry. We went for a break. We are back full.